Hello everyone, welcome again in computer class. Today we will learn about knowing Windows 7, that how can we work on operating system Windows 7. In the previous presentation you have learned that is what is operating Windows 7, how it helps us to work on a computer and what are the functions of Windows 7. You know that Windows 7 is the most popularly used operating system developed by the Microsoft Corporation. It controls overall activities of the computer as well as the operation of each and every part of it. A part means the monitors, keyboard, mouse and many other things. Now Windows 7 also controls the start and restart of the computer. The process of starting and restarting is called booting. When you start the Windows 7, the first screen that appears is called desktop and the small pictures on the desktop are called icons. It has a taskbar also on which we have a start button and date and time. And if we want to start any application window that we can go open it from the start button through all programs and accessories and open it. As you see, I have opened a WordPad window. Window means the frame which is given in the application program is called the program window or application window. At the top you can see the name of the window appears like WordPad. This is the name of the application window which appears on the title bar. So this is also called the title bar, and at the right side of the title bar there are three window control buttons. This is called the red cross button is called close button, the center button is called maximize button, and the dash line of button is called the minimize button. There at the left side there is a quick access toolbar which you can use as a shortcut of some commands like save, undo, redo option. You can add more shortcut commands here also from this drop down arrow of the quick access toolbar. Now below this title bar we have a ribbon. There are three tabs: File tab, Home tab and View tab. In a File tab there are main window control buttons, like if you want to open, save any file you have in the computer, you can do it, get it from here or save it from here. Then Home tab have a main options which we can use in our document to make it more attractive, or formatting options. Then View tab we have, in which we have zoom in, zoom out to make the screen resolution bigger or smaller. There is a ruler status bar. Ruler means the scale which is above your work area. This is a white area, this is called work area, and this is called ruler. In our Home tab we have some formatting options which we can use in our work. Now come on the maximize button. Maximize button is the button which restores the window size. Like if I click on here, the size of the window get reduces, and if I click again on the maximize button, it restores the previous size of the screen. This is a minimize button. Minimize button is used to hide your window from the desktop screen. Now see, when I click on the minimize button, the window disappears from here and we can see the window on the taskbar. Like when I move my mouse pointer here, you can see that WordPad window is opened. It is open in the background, but it is hiding here. I have opened another program also, that is Paint window. When I click on here, that window will appear on the desktop screen, and when you click on the WordPad window, that window will appear on the desktop screen. I can use both windows at the same time, but can work on only one window at a time. Like if I have clicked on the Paint window, I can draw or do anything on a Paint window, but at a time I can work on only single application window. Now you can move your window from one place to another also by clicking and dragging the mouse pointer at the top of the title bar. Like I have clicked here and hold your mouse pointer and drag your mouse and place your window where you want to want to place it, and release your mouse to take its position. You can also resize your window by dragging your frame of the window by the sides of the frame. Like if I place my mouse, it becomes double-headed mouse pointer. By holding and dragging the mouse pointer, I can resize it, make it smaller or bigger from here also. Now how can you close your window? You can close your window by close button. I already told you that this is a close button, and when you click here, the window get closed. But if you didn't save it, the data get washed away and you can't use the same document on some other day. But if you have saved it on your computer by clicking on the save option, it will ask you to write the name of the window or write the name of the file and click on the save button. Now to shut down your computer, you have to click on the start button, then go to the shutdown option in the start menu. The computer get turns off. It will ask you to shut down forcefully if you have opened any application window and it is running in your background. After some time your window get turns off. This is all about in this chapter. I hope you have learned. Thank you.